Custom Allplan Python parts development plays a key role in our efforts to meet Allplan users' needs. Here is one of All2Python parts custom projects for our customer in Hungary. Beam Precast 3D Modeling. Open Python parts interface. Type beam dimension and create beam model. Turn on reinforcement drawing. Define parameter for stirrups. Define parameters for main rebars. And click to create reinforcement. Section and labeling rebar for custom beam Python part. Turn on section drawing. Double-click to reopen the Python parts interface. Define section and label parameters. Select to create reinforcement and section with label in different drawings. Set scale before creating side view, then set scale before creating sections. Side view and sections were created in different scales.